Hello everyone. I'm bringing you the latest weather update here on InsightHub. We are tracking a powerful storm system that's been pounding Southern California with relentless rain, causing widespread flooding and chaos. Over the past couple of days, coastal Southern California has been hit hard, with some areas receiving a staggering 6 inches of rainfall. The consequences have been severe, with knee-deep floodwaters, road closures, and even evacuation warnings in Ventura County just days before the holiday weekend. The atmospheric river responsible for this deluge isn't done yet. As we speak, heavy rainfall continues, threatening even more flooding in Southern California. The Weather Prediction Center has issued a Level 2 out of 4 risk for excessive rainfall today. This means areas in Southern California, including coastal regions in Orange and San Diego counties, valleys in San Bernardino and Riverside counties, and mountain areas in San Diego, Riverside, and San Bernardino, are on high alert. The Los Angeles area can expect rainfall exceeding an inch today, and some areas are still recovering from last night's rain and isolated thunderstorms. In Ventura County, the city of Oxnard experienced a month's worth of rain in just 1 hour, causing significant flooding. The fire department in Ventura County received a staggering 275 calls within 5 hours, emphasizing the severity of the situation. The impact of this storm has been felt deeply, with at least 60 homes affected in Ventura County alone. Floodwaters reached 2 to 3 feet in some areas, trapping vehicles and prompting officials to issue evacuation warnings. As we continue to monitor this developing situation, we urge everyone in the affected areas to stay safe and heed any evacuation orders. We'll keep you updated with the latest developments. For now, stay dry and stay tuned.